Hello, Professor. Good night. My name is Maria Victoria Omaña, and today I will talk about laser hair removal. Okay, we can start talking about that. The most of us have hair in different areas like face, chin, legs, bikini areas, and another ones. And we have different procedures to treat that. And like waxing or electrolysis or shaving or plucking or whatever. But if we look at irritation after do that procedures, that demonstrate that it's not the right for you. Now we can start talking about what is laser removal and why it could be better for us. Okay. Laser hair removal is one of the most common cosmetic procedures in the US. It means highly concentrated light into the hair, and the light destroys the hair. Now we can talk about the benefits of this procedure. Lasers are useful for removing unwanted hair, and they have precision. Laser can shoot selectively dark and coarse hairs while leaving the surrounding skin undamaged. Speed and each shot that the laser produces takes a fraction of a second, so it can treat many hairs in less time. Predictability. Most patients have good results, like they can see the results until the first session, and they can see permanent lost hair until the third and sixth session. Now, recommendations for laser hair removal. First of all, we have to check the credentials of the technician or the doctor that are performing the procedure. You have to limit to plucking, waxing, and electrolysis 6 weeks before the treatment, and you have to avoid the sun exposure 6 weeks after and before the treatment. Now, we can talk about the type of laser. The type of laser that we apply in our skin will be different, will give us different results. Let us start with EPL. EPL means intense pulse light. And they have many functions like remove unwanted hairs, remove scars, hyperpigmentations, wrinkles, and photoaging skin treatments, and another ones. And its wavelengths. It's the depth that the light introduced to your skin into your skin layers, your layer of your skin. So, if the machine have more wavelengths, that will mean that it will have more efficiency in your treatment. And the EPL has a wavelength of 400 or 450. Now, the other laser offer one of the deepest penetration levels, give the most effective results post-treatment, and it has a wavelength of 808 nanometers. And the last one and the best one, it's the Soprano. The Soprano is a combination of three technologies of laser, and Alexandrita, and laser diodo laser, and laser energy that has 1064 nanometers of depth, and that will be more fast, or it will be faster and more efficient than any other treatment of laser hair removal. So I recommend you, if you will treat with laser hair removal, you can check some sites that has this laser, and your results will be better. Now you can see all the information that I'm talking about from Medical News Today and Simply Clinics. Thank you so much, Professor, for listening to me. Have a nice day.